Stop wasting time switching back and forth between AI tools. Come to Ima Claw. Equip AI with its own arsenal. In the Ima Claw Skill Market, you can equip your AI with all kinds of capabilities. And the top must-have is the Ima Claw Skill Pack. It's all about one-stop AI creation, integrating image, video, music, and voice into a single interface with intelligent multi-model scheduling. It's not a standalone tool, but a complete skill system for AI agents and developers, covering mainstream models and full end-to-end workflows. It also comes with a full set of practical skills, including image generation, video generation, Savio video generation, music generation, and TTS, as well as extended capabilities such as Ima Nano Banana. Install skills one by one, or use the full package directly. Once set up, just one prompt. The system automatically orchestrates multiple models, turning tedious workflows into a single automated production pipeline. Put simply, Ima Claw is not just a tool. It's a complete AI creation skill system that truly integrates into your workflow. It's where your AI actually starts working.